Over time, anyone's hard disk comes to keep a certain amount of duplicate files. Files in your downloads folder that you have downloaded several times, similar photos and music files hidden so deep that you don't even come to think of searching for them until the task of cleaning the disk urgently finally gets your attention. Technically, you could get rid of all that stuff manually, yet sometimes it gets too complicated. After all, there are special programs looking for duplicates, and they can make a smarter work of it. You might have understood already that the topic of this video is to discuss various tools to find and remove duplicated files. For convenience, all software meant to search and remove duplicates can be divided into several types, based on the functionalities they have to offer. They are as follows. 1. Versatile tools, which support finding and removing all or several file formats, that is, photos, videos, music, etc. 2. Apps that specialize in finding duplicates of any music files – MP3, WAV, WMA, FLAC, AIFF, APE, AAC, and so on. 3. Pictures and image hunters – JPEG, PNG, RAW, TIFF, BMP, GIF, etc. And finally, programs that search for duplicates of movies and videos – AVI, MP4, WMA, WMV, MOV, and so on. Naturally, an average user would prefer versatile tools, so let's have a look at them in the first place. Everything is fine, but the only thing I miss is the opportunity to preview detected file duplicates. The program only shows you the path to the file location. However, you can go to the folder containing a file if you need to view or identify it. DupeGuru. This application searches both for files with similar or identical names and for those having similar contents. DupeGuru is a great tool for dealing with music files, and it can even find identical music files having different tags. Besides, it can compare pictures in order to find not only identical but also similar images. There are versions for Mac, Linux, and Windows. You can download the program from the official website. It's available to the public without any payments. The interface is simple and user-friendly. Just start the program and choose a mode. It has three options – Standard, Music, and Picture. For each mode, it offers a set of scan types. Add several folders or disks you would like to check and click on the Scan button. The scanning will take some time depending on the size of the folder or disk you have selected. After that, you will see a list of duplicate files where you can choose and remove unneeded files easily. This program can find lots of files. For example, here are several duplicates which I have created deliberately. The program was able to find all copies of the file. The files which the program believes are original copies are given in blue font. Naturally, you can't remove them with this tool. Select the duplicates detected by the program and click on the Actions button to choose what you want to do – copy them or send them to the recycle bin. The DupeGuru interface is not too impressive, but the tool itself works quite well. Unfortunately, it also lacks the preview function for the file duplicates. As before, this program only shows you the path to the file location. Search My Files. This is one more free tool with a file search function which can also deal with duplicates. Search My Files features a system of flexible filters so that you can configure search options in any way you like. By the way, you can find the links to home pages of all of those apps in the description. Search My Files needs no installation, just download the program from the official website of Neosoft, its developer company, extract and run it. Two windows will appear – the main window and the search options window. Here is one peculiarity to be mentioned. By default, its interface is in English. In order to change the language to any other option, you should visit the official website, download a corresponding INI language file, and put it into the Programs folder. The program was initially designed to search for files, so if you want to find duplicates, not just a specific file, you should select Duplicate Search. Specify a file or folder to be scanned. Exclude certain folders if necessary. You can set wildcards for folders and files if necessary when you're looking for files or folders with specific extension or name. Alternatively, certain extensions or wildcards can be excluded. If you want, you can specify the size of the file you are looking for, its attributes, and the time when it was created or modified. Click Start Search, and the program will begin looking for duplicates. To tell the truth, when I installed Search My Files, I thought it was another run-of-the-mill tool with an outdated interface, but now I like the way it works. The main window shows the search results. Every group of files consisting of an original file and its duplicates is highlighted with a different color. It is very convenient. I was also impressed by the number of attributes displayed by this tool. There is every piece of information you may ever need. AllDupe. Talking of the advantages offered by one more program, AllDupe, you can enjoy its multilingual interface and use it absolutely for free for an unlimited period of time. In addition, there is also a portable version, so that you can search for duplicates on computers where having third-party software is out of the question. For example, the computers people use at work. To search for duplicates, run the program. The settings menu is quite impressive, but the interface is easy to understand. Select a folder to find the duplicates. You can select one of the options or add another location. Set the search method and comparison criteria. Search options. The function of searching in archive files and disk images is very convenient. Configure the file filter by the file type or file size. Do the same for folder filter. And don't forget to specify file formats which you'd like to preview. The File Preview menu lets you choose file tabs you can open in the preview pane. When you click Start Search button, the app begins looking for duplicates. In the end, AllDupe will show you the list of files which have one or more copies. You can view every detected duplicate without closing the program. If a duplicate is detected, you can not only remove it, but also rename it or move it to another location. I can rate this tool as very good. As you can see, versatile apps for finding duplicates are based on similar principles. There are lots of such tools on the internet, and of course I can't cover all of them in one video. It would be better to analyze at least one specialized program in each of the following categories: finding duplicates of audio files, videos, and pictures. They have certain peculiarities, so let's have a closer look. A special tool for finding duplicated audio files, Duplicate Music Remover Free. This simple tool will be most useful for people keeping tons of music on their hard disks. As the name suggests, this tool is free of charge, and I will leave the link in the description. When you run it, you will see an extremely simple menu. With this program, not only you can find duplicates of the same music file, but also similar pieces of music. For this purpose, it's got the option to search similar songs by music tags. In this case, the program will search for duplicate music files with the same song names, artists, or albums. With all that, you can select all or one of these options, for example, to search for copies of songs made by the same artist and having the same names. This application lets you remove duplicates of almost all popular audio formats. In addition, you can specify the format of music files among which the program should look for duplicates. For example, you can make the app search for MP3 duplicates only. Now, set the search directory and the size of the duplicates you want to find if necessary. And click Start. As a result, Duplicate Music Remover Free will show detected duplicates in the tab Search Result. Please note that I have changed names of the file copies, but the program still managed to find them. Just select the files you want to remove and click Action, Remove, or Move to folder if necessary. I think it's a great app to have. Awesome Duplicate Photo Finder. A free but controversial app for finding duplicated photos and pictures. However, its simplicity is what you need if your task is just to clean a disk or folder from copies of the same photographs. The interface is available in English only, but it is so simple that you just can't go wrong. Run the program and use the plus button to select the directory or several directories to search for files. After that, click Start Search to find duplicates. The Scan Subdirectories option is enabled by default and makes the program search subfolders as well. In the settings, you can specify 100% similarity if you are looking for photos that are absolutely identical. As you can see, there are not too many options to choose from, but the saddest thing is that this tool supports only 5 main image formats: BMP, JPEG, PNG, GIF, and TIFF. However, most users are not likely to use more complicated formats anyway. The program performs quite well, finding very similar pictures, but also photos that differ a bit. That's a good and simple tool. Finally, the last application in today's video is a specialized tool for finding and removing duplicated video files. There are only a few programs of this kind. The talk of the town is Duplicate Video Search or Video Comparer, but they are commercial software, and to my mind, their free versions are too limited to be good for everyday use. That is why, by trial and error method, I have come to the conclusion that a program which was so unfairly excluded from this list is actually a very convenient choice to find and remove duplicates of video files, and this is DupeKiller. This program is free and feature-packed, and it shows very good results in searching video file duplicates. So, run the program, and it will show you the list of available disks. Choose the one you want to scan for duplicates. Now go to Search Settings and click on Customize button next to the option Same Type. Enter the video format for the files you want to find. In my case, that's MP4. Make sure you have checked the options Same Content and Use Plugins. Click Customize and check the corresponding boxes for plugins. If you are not sure that the video file duplicates you are looking for have the same names. This way, DupeKiller will also look for files by their content. You can leave other settings as they are. Click on the Scan button, and when the scan is over, the program will show you the list of duplicates it has found, as well as their names and paths. You can see that some duplicates have different names. If you need to make sure that these files are really identical, just click on a file and it will be played. You can also see the file size and when it was modified. This program is certainly worth your attention, and not only when you need to find a video file duplicate.